guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Karrill DaDiva. Today I'm gonna be doing some box braid in my hair, but this one has been highly requested by you guys. This is gonna be some knotless box braids. This is the hair I'm gonna be using. It's a 3x free twist braid, and it's an ombre with black and gray, and the length is 28 inches. So I have my hair prepped already for the braids, and by prepped I mean I blow it out because I just cannot braid my hair without blowing it out first, because then it would be so much of a hassle. I'm gonna be using my BTL jam for my braids. Of course, I've been using this jam for a while and I just can't stop now. I'm starting off by applying some of the jam to the back of my hair. And when it comes to braiding, you definitely want to make sure you're using jam. Jam is your best friend because it can make you or break you. That's going to determine how good your braid look at the end. To part my hair, I'm just going to slide my comb from the back of one ear to the back of the other one without stopping. See how easy that was? And that's how I get my parting nice and straight in the back. Now I'm going to take out my first section that I'm going to braid, and I'm going to be doing this in 3, so I'm going to just take it out accordingly. I get up to the front, I'm going to show you guys exactly what I'm doing and explain more on how I keep the braiding here together so I have no problem when doing it. I just feel like it's so much easier explaining to you guys what I'm doing when I'm at the side of my hair as opposed to when I'm doing it at the back. As some of you guys already know, when I'm braiding my hair, I braid it down to about the middle of it, and then after I finish installing all of them, I go back and finish the ends. For me, it works so much better. Not everybody like it this way, but it's such an ease for me to do it this way. This is something that I usually do before I even start my braids. I haven't done box braiding so long, I totally forgot to do this part. I like to take out a section in the front. It kind of makes it easier to go through my hair when I do it like this. I feel like it's kind of like sectioning my hair, you know what I'm saying? So here we are at the sides. Definitely make sure you apply jam. When I'm parting my hair, I part it slanted, and this works for me because of the shape of my head. It does not work for everybody, but I have people who commented before that this works for them, and I'll tell you guys why in a few. So because I part my hair slanted like this on the side, when I get up to the middle, the parting from the other side match up equally with the parting from this side, and that's the reason why I parted slanted. Now what you want to do is take out enough hair for one braid. I'm gonna say that again. Take out enough braid for one hair. I do my knotless braid by adding hair 3 times. So what I'm gonna do with the hair that I just took out for one section is I'm gonna split it in 3. Now to keep the hair from falling apart when you're doing your braids and to keep it all together, you wanna add jam. And you're gonna add the jam on the synthetic hair, all 3 pieces. So you see how the hair sticks together because I add the jam on it. This is what I mean, and when I start to add them in, it won't give me no trouble at all. It's just gonna do what I say, do what I want. And like I said, you're gonna do it to all 3 pieces because you wanna keep all 3 pieces nice and neat and in order for when you're putting it in your hair. Now I'm gonna grab my hair at the root, then I'm gonna split it in 3 and I'm gonna start braiding, but I'm not gonna go too far, just like move my finger around one time. Now I'm gonna add my first piece of hair and I'm gonna add it where my thumb finger is grabbing it, and it's in between my pointing finger and my middle finger. Now I'm gonna move my fingers with the braid around one more time, and then I'm gonna add my second piece. And when I say move my finger around, just to make it clear for you guys, I mean I'm just gonna plait, but I'm just gonna do one plait and then I add the next piece. And as I add my third piece, I continue to braid my hair down. Y'all see how beautiful that look? That's exactly what we're working to achieve here. This is what it looks like after I was done braiding it. Again, you're gonna take out just enough hair that you need for one braid. And then you're gonna split it into 3 pieces. And something I forgot to mention the first time around, when you're splitting them, what you could do is do the first piece small, then the next piece a little bit bigger, and then the third piece much bigger. And I feel like doing it like this, when you start to add them in your hair, it go in like a gradient wave, you know what I mean, from like small to larger, and it will look more natural. And as you take these pieces out, you want to add jam on it to give you better control over the hair. I have to say though, I don't like this braiding here very well, and you guys know I use easy braid all the time, so I'm so used to it being so soft and nice and easy to control. Wearing this one, it tangles so easily. I hate it. Again, I'm grabbing my natural hair at the root, and then I'm gonna split it into 3 pieces. After that, I'm gonna braid it just a little before I add the first piece of synthetic hair in. I plait it just enough to free my right hand before grabbing the second piece of hair and add it in. Again, I plait it just enough to free my hand, and then I grab the third piece of hair, and then I start braiding everything in. I leave out some of my edges on purpose. One, just so they won't get caught in these tight braids and get pulled out. And two, just so I'll have something to, fix my edges up and make them look cute. I think I'm gonna speed braid this one and the very last one just so I could get through this much faster, especially since you guys now know how to do your knotless braids. So I finished my braids and I'm gonna dip them in hot water. That's the reason why you see me holding the towel. And I'm not telling anyone to go do this, because if you burn yourself, that's on you if you don't know what you're doing. But this is what I do. So I'm gonna dip the hair down in the hot water, and I have my towel close by for when I pick it up out of the hot water. And this water is super duper hot. Just the steam alone is burning me. I'm not even gonna show y'all me doing the next half because this baby was just raging hot, and I'm a total mess right here. I don't think I'm acting real professional doing this. I did trim the ends too, just a little bit off of it. I really don't like cutting too much because I want it to look natural. I'm gonna lay my edges using this edge effect edge control from Magic Collection. Now I'm gonna add some foam wrap lotion, and this is from BTL as well. So this is my first time doing knotless braid. I never liked the way they look, so I never wanted to do them. So y'all want to know my opinion now on knotless braids? I love them. I think they are so much more flexible than the regular braids. And they're not tight either, so I could style my hair immediately. So yeah, I love them. Like they say, never knock it until you try it. I'm so happy I listened to you guys. You guys have been asking for this video for so long. So I'm happy I listened to you guys and went ahead and do it. The thing is, I never liked the way some of them look from what I've seen people be doing, so it never motivated me to try it. But now that I try it my way, I actually really like it. And by my way, I mean some people doing size like this, they add like 6 pieces or more, but 3 works for me, so 3 is what I went with. If I'm doing like a bigger size, I might add more just to make it look, much better. But I felt like using 3 pieces was good enough. Anyway, if you guys find this video helpful, definitely go ahead and give it a thumbs up. By the way, the winner for the ponytail from the pineapple hairdo is Miss Smartass 2018. Oh, so you smart. Okay. But anyway, you're the winner. Congratulations. I will be sending you your package soon. Thank you for entering. I'm definitely gonna try to do more giveaways because I love you guys and I know you guys love me, so I just wanna share whatever I can with y'all. Anyway, if this is your first time on my channel, I would love it if you would subscribe and hit the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.
Bye.